All right, folks. What we have here is a 2021 Trailblazer Active. It's got a little 3-cylinder with a turbo. Well, we're here to reset the oil life. Okay, and the way to reset the oil life, we're going to be using these controls right here on the right side of the steering wheel. All right, if you notice, the little tabs up there says trip, vehicle, and then echo. We are going to use this tab here, put it over to vehicle, and then you're going to use a little wheel and roll up until you see oil life. Let's see, oil life, type pressure. Oh, they have an air filter life. Cool. It's got 20%, so it might be time to change it. Remaining oil life is 48. This just came from California all the way to the East Coast. So we changed the oil on it at 24,000 miles. Once you get to this spot here, you're just going to push in this little wheel and hold it. Are you sure you want to reset it? You're going to turn the wheel up to yes and hit it again. There you go. Look at that. I thought you had to hold it, but no. Just answer yes or no question and you are done. Then you're going to put it back to where the customer had it. And there you go. Pretty simple. This is almost as simple as the GM ones when you have to step on the accelerator pedal 3 times. Okay. Thanks for watching. Ciao.